Hello, welcome to Surg 105, Surgical Pharmacology, where we are going to introduce medications and practices that you're going to be exposed to as a surgical technologist. This class is a blended course, so we will meet remotely via Zoom every other Tuesday from 1 to 2, and the other weeks you will be responsible for the online material here in Do Too Well. So I thought we could just walk through and show you some important information, starting with the course homepage. So this is the homepage here. The Zoom link, you will use the same link for every class, for every Tuesday lecture. Over to the right is my contact information, my email, office phone number, and office hours. Office hours are by appointment only. Here is the Zoom link where you can access that information. Okay. Keep scrolling down. We do offer our student counseling services and HACS Care Center website link here for more information. And then if you scroll to the top and go to content, okay, on the left side is our table of contents. Okay, you want to first start here where you can find our syllabus for the course. Okay, right here is the PDF format. And then if you opted for the ebook version here, you can select the link here, which will take you right to the ebook version of Pharmacology for the Surgical Technologist. The medication card template, you will want to download and save this as a template for your medication card assignments. And student access services. HAC offers this to you every semester, where you can offer support for services other than academic. Okay, and this link will take you right to their website. Lastly, HAC's D2L tech support information is available to you. Okay, so again, direct links for common issues or questions, and then any type of D2L questions or assistance you may need. For specific information regarding the course, please just contact me and we can walk through it together. All right, and then scrolling back up to the table of contents, okay, I will have our Zoom lecture recordings listed here, and then each week is listed here with the chapters we will be going over. Okay, so week 1 we will meet in class, and then week 2 will be virtual on D2L, week 3 on class, virtual every other. Okay, so for example, week 1, all right, we will be going through chapter 1 and 2, and then some common medication links for you to review. On the weeks that you will not be meeting with me, all right, you will be required to go to the discussion post area. Okay, and here it's mapped out pretty easily, okay, for your question for the week. So for week 2, your question will be, which steps would you use to correctly identify medications that are going to be used from the sterile back table during a surgical procedure? So you will want to read that chapter on medication administration, and then following the reading, you want to come to the discussion area here and answer these 2 questions. You are required to post first before you can review your classmates' answers. The Dropbox is where you will be uploading your medication cards. Remember, you want the template from the content review, and you can upload directly into the Dropbox. You will also be assigned articles that you will be taking a post-exam that will be uploaded to the Dropbox as well. You can see the due dates to the far right. All of our exams are listed under the quiz section, so you can see what time and date they will be available. Okay. Gradebook, you can see what you will be graded on, all of your medication cards, assignments, your 3 exams, your final, your study guide, chapter questions, and then your final calculated grade. All right, up here you are able to see your attendance by going to Resources and Attendance. Click here to view course attendance, and I don't have it showing here, but your name will be listed with the attendance for your course. Okay. All right, well, that about does it, and I look forward to having a good, successful summer semester.